Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to split cells. So as example, I will type word in here, Vasukcat, and then I will set John Miller, the next low rank. So we have this word with space as the split. So you can sort, and then you can go to data, click on text to columns. The next, we use the delimited, click on next. Now you can check for space and you can see the preview in here. It will be split the cells in this word and you can click next again. Now you can set for the destinations data. You can click at this button. I will click at this point. Press enter and the next you can click finish. So it will be split the cells with the word, and we use the space for the splitting tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to split cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.